Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Actually, ako yung shooter sa amin, shooter.
Ayun! Steve Curry pala to, oh!
Kami dyan.
Si Mike. Oh, yun, oh! Lalo na, oh! Malupit, oh!
Kahit pa lang, kita-kita.
Kitang-kita na, oh!
Pag may problema, sabihin nyo kaagad. Huwag mahihiya. Pag may problema, meron kayong request. Oo, huwag mahihiya. Kasi alam ko, ugali natin yan eh, yung nagtitiis. Magtiis. Kaya tayong mga Pilipino, magaling tayong worker kasi may pinapagawa sa atin. Gagawin natin eh. Dito, it's not my job. Mga ganyan sila. Although, wag naman natin gagawin yun. Ipakita pa rin natin na tayo.
Kasi Pilipino po tayo.
Talagang tayong mga Pilipino is a good worker.
Laban, Pilipinas.
Hindi tayo mareklamo. Kasi dito mapapansin nyo, karamihan dyan, umaga pa lang, moan. Maraming reklamo. Pero ikaw, maisip mo, simple lang naman yun ah. Ganon tayo. Kaya gusto nila Pilipino. So, tayo lang natin ang bandirang Pinoy.
Multitasker naman.
Yes.
Yun!
Hindi ko kilala si Ireland.
Yeah.
Before.
Yeah.
I
Hindi siya option
haven't heard Ireland. Tapos sinabi, ano ba, yan yung Westlife, ganun mga banda.
So when I moved here, nag-IELTS ako. O IELTS ang exam ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako pumasa.
Ang hirap pala ng
Actually, ang sinasabi
One take
nila,
ako, nagulat ako.
sabi nila, and then once you sign the contract here,
You
then
can
reimbursement.
reimburse.
Reimbursement. So parang ang ginastos mo lang talaga basically is your exam, even the flight. And pagdating namin dito, we have a 1 month free accommodation, food from the employer. So nagstay kami sa hotel for a month, free breakfast, and then free lunch sa hospital. So it was just...
Tumating ako rito, the first thing that I searched for is...
Dapat nagpari ka, kuya. Kasi kulang na ng pari dito ngayon sa Ireland. Nag-hire na sila ng mga Indian.
Hindi ako pwede.
Wala. Hindi. I-clear lang natin, ano? Bale, ang nangyari kasi sa'yo, parang personal mo na
Personal
feeling
pa
yon.
yun.
Hindi yung parang general.
No.
Kasi-
It's my personal feeling
Okay.
kung bakit ako nag-stay dito sa Ireland.
Yes.
It's so easy for me to stay here because it haven't changed much.
Sa
So
iyo.
ito, i-clear lang natin, ano? I-clear lang natin. It has nothing to do with religion kaya ka nag-stay dito.
No.
Personal mo yun.
No,
Kasi
but then-
when it comes to
Yes.
religion, hindi naman sila nagbabanggit dito ng religion eh.
Yes. No.
In fact, sabi nga, wala na masyadong priest dito kasi ang mga kabataan hindi na sila nagpipriest. So
Hindi
so
na.
it's not being Christian, that's why you stayed here. It's just your personal opinion na sabihin natin, kasi sa baka uminom ka,
Yes.
bawal dun sa Middle East. So, yung mga ating kababayan na dumating dito or papunta rito, wag po kayong mangamba anumang klaseng religion sila, Jew man sila, Muslim or Hindu, it doesn't matter po dito, welcome kayo.
It's time na to move forward kasi alam mo yung you're thinking about your family. Pag bumubo, like Sir Joey, di ba? Naisipan mo pumunta dito for a better future.
Yes.
They always says that like, there's always a green pasture.
Hanap ka ng...
Of course.
Oo, parang ganun. Parang bigla ko lang na-feel ba. So I was telling him na, Dad, I think we really have to transfer. Parang mas maganda yung opportunity ko.
Maganda na yung work namin doon. Pero
maganda na.
nung nakita namin dito, mas medyo mas angat siya, mas maganda. Tsaka yung rights, tsaka benefits mo.
Kasi maganda ang pamumuhay dito sa Ireland. Aside sa, alam mo yun naman yung mga Irish, di ba? They're really, very warm and very welcoming sila.
Hindi sila mga racist kasi.
Yes.
Yan ang number one kasi pag nag-work ka dito, hindi mo na isipin yung stress sa trabaho kasi
Yes.
may right ka, hindi ka gaya
They really
sa
give rights to the employee.
ibang bansa na wala kang karapatan, no? So you have to adjust pa niyan, tapos pag-uwi mo pa ganyan. Pero dito, parang it's a good package na dito na dito ka nakapagtrabaho.
Siguro sa liit ng population, bawat isa sa atin may voice. I think there's a big difference between being here, born here, and you're listening to the way they speak compared to us.
Yeah.
Who's like who've been around, like in people who struggling to speak English. But for us, I know what you mean.
Well, in English, the most difficult dialect is Scottish and Irish, I think.
Okay.
Very difficult to understand.
The accent, probably.
Accent, yeah, the way they use.
Oh yeah, the sentence construction, basically. Yeah.
So that's very difficult to understand. But, I mean, when I was here, first few months, I was struggling to understand the thing.
And when you don't have friends, you just feel lonely and depressed. And being in county, like Waterford is a very beautiful city, no doubt. But still, like, you know, it's not much happening.
Yes, yeah.
You know, what I mean, like, it's not just like... because I have been grown up in a city which is just
very
full
busy.
of people, crowded. Like the nightlife is massive and it's just
it doesn't
not
stop at 6 o'clock.
It doesn't stop at 6 o'clock. So true. Doesn't stop at 6 o'clock.
When I finished college, I went back to the main city, the capital, and I worked there before coming to Ireland. And I got used to the lifestyle there. City life and everything like that, you know. We don't stop until, I'd say it's like 24 hours really.
Exactly. At some places, it's 24 hours.
24
it
hours.
never stops.
Now, when I came here, I was like, oh my God. I said, 6 o'clock? It's very early. It's so quiet, you know. Because if you're coming from the city, like a really busy city, it's quiet. Waterford is quiet.
It's true.
Oh my God, I said. But in a way, I was able to feel like relaxed. At that time, I had no other choice, but I said, if I'm going to be just thinking about it's quiet here, nothing's going to happen. So I kind of flipped. Maybe it's time for me to just grasp this, to change, to adapt with the situation. I felt like I had more time for myself. And then eventually, whenever I go to the Philippines, I feel like, oh my God, there's so many people here. There, like, oh my God. So it's the opposite.
You have adapted the peace, what you are getting here, and you just feel, oh my God, please shut down.
Yeah.
I just want to be alone.
Correct, yeah.
And the best part of being here is I really love the work-life balance, what the people are having here. They give more importance to life. They are not just, they are not into rat race. They enjoy their life, they do their work and enjoy their life. I just love that thing. Like it was not there back home. That is the, minus negative point. But like being here, like, I'm really getting new things. I'm learning new things. And like I've enrolled myself into dance club. I'm having time for myself to do something apart from just earning money. I'm investing on myself.
On yourself. Instead of just being a nurse and working and then...
Exactly. I'm not just being a nurse.
That's one thing it's kind of weird as well.
Yeah.
That they will say hi.
Yeah.
Sometimes they don't look at you.
Yeah. They just, like, I think it's just it's just in their system that
it's a habit.
whenever they see, they just say, it automatic. It just comes out their mouth, just say, hi, hello, how are you? And they just go.
And how do you feel about that?
Oh my God, who was that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like new. It was weird.
Yeah. How do you feel about that, Prince, when someone says, hi, hello?
Well, sometimes
initially, when you were greeted like that, when you initially came here.
When I first came here, in Ghana, I mean, when you see someone need to greet the person, then even that can take you like 5 minutes before you guys part ways. How are you? How are you doing? How's the family? Like we need to stand like that will take like maybe about 5 minutes before you part ways. Even though sometimes we didn't know the person, but here it's very different. Here sometimes when someone say hi, it's just hi, and the person goes away, and then sometimes you want to just say how are you doing, but we didn't see the person before you realize the person is far gone.
Yeah.
So that was for me. Initially I was like, oh my God.
Yeah.
Kind of weird.
Where am I?
Yeah.
Where am I? But with time, I realized that that is the way of life here. But I think it's not like they don't really like people. Irish are very nice. So far, since I came in here, I must be frank. Like everyone is so nice. Everyone is so nice to me. I don't know whether it's because maybe I'm fortunate, but because and I've never heard anyone say any bad stuff about any Irish. No, they are all nice people.
Yeah.
So for me, I feel like okay, well, they are nice. So maybe the person is in a hurry to go somewhere, and that's the reason, But I would say on a scale of 10, I'll give Irish 9.5. Like,
of course, yeah,
very nice.
Yeah. Tara,
Let's talk.
Tara,
Let's talk.